How to create invoice. To create an invoice, click on Create Invoice button on the home page. Invoice Editor needs to pull different data to show up, that includes business information, customer and product details, and also tax rates. Let's start with setting. Enter business information such as the name, email and business address of your company. You can also upload logo. If you want to show some notes on invoice, update content here. Define currency, invoice number prefix, and invoice number to start with. By default it will start with 1. Click on Save Settings button to apply changes. If tax is applicable, you can add tax details on invoice. Click on Tax List. Add your applicable tax type, for example here we adding 5% VAT. Save it. Click on Product Service link to add your product or services you want to show in invoice. Add product name, description, price. Save it. Add more products if you want. Now click Create Invoice. If you already have customer details in your address book, select one by typing his name or click on Add Customer link to create new. You can manage all your customer details under Address Book section. Enter customer name Ron, it will pull user details. Select date. Currency and theme of invoice. Select invoice due date. This is default invoice number, I will automatically generated with every new invoice. You can offer a discount percentage for this invoice. And set purchase order number. With this checkbox you can show hide logo on invoice, under product section. Enter product name. It will pull all the product details you entered under product listing. Change quantity to 4. Add tax by selecting VAT from drop down. If you want to add more product, click on Add Item. Update notes or legal terms if you want. Hit Save if you want to send it later, or click on Send button to send the invoice to selected customer. This pop-up will allow you to update email content which is being sent to the customer. Update subject and message if you want and hit the Send button. You will be redirected to invoice listing page from where you can edit, send and preview the invoice. You can also update theme and use invoice URL to share it with others. Under My Invoices, roll over to Settings icon, you will see different options. Edit will let you edit the invoice. Payment Status will let you update payment details, if you received in full or partial. Share will let you send the invoice to other people. Resend, send the same invoice again. Void, make invoice void. Preview, view invoice layout. Delete, delete the invoice permanently. Thank you, please log in and create your invoice, SurveyCrest.com.